Hey everyone, John Villarreal here with Janair in the background, and I'm sure she'll be over here in a second. And my wife Salma doing the video. We're still reviewing the gifts, the round of gifts, the range of gifts that we got for my daughter Janair in Christmas time. And we got these from Amazon. We paid for it with our own money. These are our own personal, honest opinions. Please check all the disclaimers in the video description below. This here is the Doctor play set. And I think it's Gifts2U is the company, Gifts2U Toys. So let's open this up. We're gonna do a little unboxing and a quick review. Now, if you don't know, my wife Salma is a physician from Israel. So we definitely have a lot of the doctor sets in the house, which is great. Oh, look, you know better than I do. Go ahead. What do we got? What do we have here? So, wow.
Junior, but you have to show the camera, baby.
Yeah, let's see this. Okay, so we have this is our hospital set here. We've got the cross there, doctor play set. We have some teeth over there. I'm trying to figure out the easiest way. If this is oh, I see. She's just digging in. We got shots.
Is it a white cloth? I'm not sure.
It's something, sort of. I think it's kind of a...
Oh, it's an apron.
Yeah, more of an apron.
Yeah. That's good.
You want to try this on, Janair?
It's like water resistant too.
Yeah, it is. You want to try this one on, Janair? You have a hat too. See, kind of a...
This is more like a nurse.
Yeah, more of a nurse thing.
Maybe, I don't know.
Let me see. Okay, this is interesting. So, here you've got some pulse. It's like an electronic thing. Oh, that's cool. Lights up.
Like here.
Look at that. Yep. Blood pressure cup there. That's kind of cool. And you can put your finger in here or something. Here, put your finger in here.
This is your pulse.
Yep.
Okay.
Put your finger in here. Oh.
It's interesting how
That's interesting. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's kind of nice.
Thermometer, yes.
Yep. And so I think there's something. Okay.
You have to put batteries. Some of them.
Yeah, I think if you pull this, we'll look at the instructions because there seems to be some kind of action here. I bet that lights up. I bet you pull this, but I don't want to do it yet. I'm suspecting you've got your glasses here. Some kind of band there. Okay.
It's a band-aid.
This is pretty cool. So these ones light up a little bit. That's kind of nice. I haven't seen that with some of the other sets.
Look.
It's kind of...
Let's check your ears.
Easy.
And your nose and your eyes.
Yeah.
No.
Next side.
For your teeth.
Cover that's shut.
Hey, it's up.
It's for your teeth. You have a lot of different instruments in here. Kind of like...
It's like a dentist.
Dentist, doctor. Yeah, it's like a... Right. Oh, flashlight? That's cool.
Oh, listen.
Look, you got a little
We will learn how
flashlight.
to brush our teeth. This is for the eye.
Yeah, these seem a little bit, some of these are okay. Some of these are a little bit, maybe not quite as sturdy as some of the other sets, but they seem adequate. And what I do like about it is that you seem to have some action with most of these utensils, which is really nice.
Yeah, they're trying to engage the kids.
There's a lot of pieces in here.
I think this is like a dry, like
Medical,
pill,
yeah.
Pills.
Yeah, they're trying to engage the kids, which is really nice. So,
This is like
yeah.
for the dentist.
Yeah.
Band-aid, spoons.
Okay.
Oh, stethoscope.
Yeah.
Nice. This is the part of stethoscope that you have to put, I guess, here. See?
I think this lights up. I think these are all batteries that
Yeah,
light
everything
up.
needs a battery.
Well, no, I think if you pull this, I think then it has contact with it. It has a battery. I bet it lights up. I'm willing to bet that. Then you have to put this in here. This tube's a little bit squished, but I don't think that's a big problem.
And you see the pressure? She's measuring.
No, that's awesome. So it's pretty cool, right? You can see what's in here. Yep. Yeah, see, she took the thing off.
Yeah, but you need to hear
She
the
pulled the
lungs
thing.
and the
That's
heart.
exactly it. That's very cool.
And this is like to write
Yeah.
some
See, because you just pull it. Watch, I'll do the same thing over here.
Oh, for patient notes.
I love that. See, watch. Now you watch this. See, this will light up. It's really cool.
No, you light it up from here.
No, right here. Push it right here.
Oh, nice.
See, you pull these little things. That,
I see.
That's
You
the
don't
contact
have
with
to
the
push it.
battery.
Basically, when you do like this, it sees. Oh, nice.
So, you know, some of these pieces are.
This is the badge.
Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot of the stickers in here. There's a lot of pieces. You have
Those are
to.
not stickers. Those are the pill boxes.
I see that.
John, those are the pill boxes.
Oh yes, yes, you're 100% right. I like it. I mean, you have to, you know, this got this a little bit squished here. I'm sure that's probably gonna be fine. Hold, 1 second, Janair. I'm gonna help you. So you put this on this. This is what mommy has.
Do a circular movement.
Circular like this, and then you go like this.
At the other side.
Oh.
Like flip it.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep. See? Here, watch, Janair. Come over here. Come over here. Here, watch. See, I check you. Oh! Wow!
I can hear your heartbeats. Nice.
You're gonna be the doctor.
Look, this is like a floss for the teeth.
Higher.
John, floss for the teeth. What I like about it, kids can learn how to brush their teeth.
Yeah, absolutely. No, listen.
Look.
This is really
the
cool.
floss, too?
Yeah. Look, there's a lot of pieces here, and you have to like look after a lot of the pieces, and some of them are not of the super sturdy. But what I love about it is you've got dentist stuff, doctor stuff, comprehensive. You got a nurse's, you know, I think that's a nurse outfit, if I'm not right. You know, you have action with it. It's definitely very engaging. This is a really cool setup. I like this one a lot, and this is obviously my daughter's all over it, so you know this seems pretty cool here. So yes, this is the Gifts2U Doctor Play Set. We got this from Amazon. I would say on a 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this 8.5. I think it's pretty solid, very engaging. There's a couple things that maybe I'd want more, but it kind of, you know, for a one-stop shop type of little gift, if you want like to have that medical experience, if you will, it kind of has it all pretty much here. So I don't know the whole range of everything else that's out there, but again, my daughter definitely likes it, and I think it's pretty good. Anyway, for Janair and Salma, I'm John. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Be sure to check out all of our other great videos. We'll see you next time.